Hi, my name is Shane Wolf. I'm an artist specializing in figurative drawing and painting. The far majority of my work ends up in public and private collections and museums around the world. My artworks have received international awards, such as various medals from historic French organizations, as well as the Taylor Prize in Paris. The human body and movement in positions of torsion and in very strong perspectives is the main subject of my large-scale realistic drawings and paintings. From my work, I seek to reveal the human potential in its purest state, free from any ideas of superiority or inferiority. The model's movements and the durations of the poses constantly challenge me and are essential to my creativity. Time is an important element in my work. It pushes me to be more efficient in my art and use model breaks to evaluate the piece, to take notes, and use my visual memory to continue working on the project. In my drawing process, I consciously choose which areas of the anatomy to devote more attention to and which ones to intentionally leave more sketchy and suggestive. In this Domestika course, you will learn how to draw dynamic figures from the live model. For the final project, you will make a complete 4-hour dynamic figure drawing from life. To begin, I will show you all the tools I use for my graphite drawings and the fundamentals of light and shadow. I will teach you how to improve upon your visual accuracy, your visual memory, and how to properly measure something in space. Then I will start to draw from the live model and also tell you how to professionally work with him or her. Next, we will look at what dynamic figure drawing is and what are some anatomical points that can help us break down and understand challenging poses. We will start to sketch from the live model using various pose lengths, and I will tell you how to manage your time. Then we will choose a pose to begin the final 4-hour dynamic figure drawing. I will teach you how to structure your drawing step by step all the way to how to finish it. I will also show you how to protect your drawing, as well as creating a certificate of authenticity for it. Lastly, I will give you tips about how to continue working from life and how to keep improving your skills. By the end of this course, you will have a solid understanding of anatomical structures and how to work with the movements from the live model. You will really only need old school tools such as pencils, erasers, and paper. And of course, a watch to control the time while drawing. Learn about the power of the human figure and how to manage time to challenge yourself and to create your artwork.